video, and in today's video, we're gonna be trying to breaking this game, with a bunch of RPG ammo. Hey, at the top we gotta put the Mega RPG.
Yeah.
Trying to make a pyramid.
It will. You know what? I hate pyramids.
No.
Imagine I
Okay.
did it by someone.
This is the last time we're doing it. Someone can count how many RPG missiles we have right now.
That would be
Okay.
amazing. And then
Okay.
we can...
3, 2, 1. Oh, oh my God! Bro, it broke my game so hard I flew off safe zone and died.
I flew off safe zone and I didn't die.